Good morning, I'm Munotira Biahachishumba.
Good morning, my name is Munyarazi Charuka,
the Deputy Head Girl and Head of Discipline for Midland Christian College 2026.
I'm an MCS pupil. I'm a grade 6 student. I'm also a boarder. I'm going to be speaking about the advantages of the solar plant.
So this installation has increased the time we have to study. Before this, we used to have power outages, then we'd have to wait for a period of time for the generators to start running. But now it's like instant, just like that, and electricity is back.
The solar plant has helped many of us, especially at the hostels. So now we can extend practices like homework.
Even our laundry system has improved because of this solar plant. Even our kitchen staff is benefiting with delicious food that's always refrigerated and they can cook on time.
You don't have to worry if the water is going to be hot or cold.
We find that our laundry don't have to work over hours because there's always electricity available. So this is my testimony of this solar plant. Thank you.